Silverado's got some gooey door handles, right? From the heat and everything like that. And the way to stop it, or to, where it's not gooey anymore and it starts picking up all these, your black fingerprints and stuff like that, is you can actually use some clear coat and spray it on here. And I've had luck with this particular brand spraying it on plastics and interior parts that end up getting gooey, after some time. And this stuff actually will, I don't know if the panel actually will absorb it, and when this stuff dries, it actually hardens the plastic again, okay? It doesn't really, with some of, I've done the airbag in an older car of mine, and the airbag actually absorbed it, and it didn't even come out glossy or anything. It just kind of absorbed it, and then it hardened it, and it's not sticky anymore. So I'm gonna give that a shot on this '09 Silverado that I have. I've been doing some work on it, and I figured I'll go ahead and try to stop this right here on the driver's door, because this is the driver's handle, and it's kind of annoying it being really sticky and gross here. So yeah, so this the automotive paint is what I've been using. I don't know how the enamels and stuff like that will work, but I'm thinking that to use automotive paint. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna it's freaking mosquitoes. I'm gonna clean this off with some rubbing alcohol, get it real clean, and I'm gonna mask it off, and I'll just spray some on there and hopefully get it to stop being sticky. You can take the door panel off, and this handle really doesn't come off anyways, but you can take the door panel off and take the switches out or whatever if you want to go work on it on the bench, but I'm just gonna do it on the truck. So yeah, I'm just using some rubbing alcohol to clean it up. Okay, some shop towels. And I just want to get it nice and clean, because when you spray that clear coat on it, it's probably going to lock in whatever kind of dirt you got on it. I'm gonna go ahead and just clean all this junk off. Hit that with some clear first. Goop in there. Alright, I got the piece as clean as I'm gonna get it, and I'm just gonna spray one coat on there, and that's all it really needs. I'm not trying to make it glossy or anything. I'm just trying to get it to absorb into the plastic. That's all it should really take. Not very much. Alright. Let's mask this guy off real quick. All right. Alright, you just let that dry up and then it should be good to go. Alright, so it's been about 30 minutes and door panels aren't sticky anymore. And so there's a little bit of gloss there, but so that's because it's really, really smooth, and I used a very little bit amount, you know, a little bit of that actual clear, but it is not sticky at all. So it should work out pretty good. I got to do all the other 3 handles, so if anybody else has any better ideas, just shoot me those ideas. You can leave them down in the comment box below. And if you made it this far in the video, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend. Later.